In this complete guide, you'll learn how to create multiple pages in Softr, so you can organize your application into separate sections for your homepage, an about page, a contact page, a dashboard, or any other content your app needs. Softr is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web applications quickly, and adding multiple pages is one of the first skills you'll want to master because it transforms a single-screen prototype into a fully navigable, structured experience for your users. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Before you can create any pages, you need to log into your Softr account. Head over to the Softr website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which shows an overview of all your projects. From here, look to the left sidebar and click on Applications. This section lists every Softr app you've built or started. It's important to familiarize yourself with this navigation panel because it's how you'll move between your apps, pages, and data sources throughout your entire workflow. Now locate the specific application you want to edit and open it by clicking on its name or the edit icon. Once the application loads, you'll see a new set of options in the left sidebar. Click on Pages. This is the central hub for managing every page in your app. By default, Softr usually starts you with a single page, often called Home, but you can build out as many as you need. The Pages panel shows you a list of all existing pages, and this is where you'll add, delete, duplicate, or reorder them. To create a new page, click the Add icon. It's typically a plus sign located near the top of the Pages panel. A window will pop up asking you to enter the page details. The most critical field here is the page name. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects the content or purpose of the page. For example, if you're building a company website, you might name a page About Us or Contact. If it's a member dashboard, you might call it Dashboard or My Profile. Avoid vague names like Page 2 because they will confuse both you and your users later. Once you've entered the page name, click Save. After you save, Softr automatically opens your new page in the page editor. This is where the real magic happens. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar filled with block categories. Blocks are the building blocks, pun intended, of your Softr pages. They include headers, text blocks, images, forms, galleries, features sections, testimonials, buttons, lists, and many other components. Browse through these categories and click on any block you want to add to your page. Each block serves a specific purpose. For instance, a header block is great for your page title, a text block for paragraphs, and an image block for visuals or branding. You can also add dynamic blocks that connect to your data sources, like a repeating list block that shows records from a database. Once you insert a block, it immediately appears on your page canvas. You can click on it to edit its content, change its styling, adjust spacing, and set its visibility rules. Take your time with this step. Arrange the blocks in a logical order that guides your visitor through the information. For a typical contact page, you might start with a header, then a text block with your address and phone number, then a form block for inquiries, and finish with a map block. The editor is drag and drop, so you can easily reorder blocks by grabbing them and moving them up or down. If you accidentally add a block you don't need, simply delete it to keep your layout clean. Continue adding and customizing blocks until your page contains all the content you need. Remember, you can always come back later to tweak things, so don't stress about perfection on the first pass. A best practice is to keep related content together on the same page for a better user experience. For example, don't put your team bios on a page labeled Services if you have a separate About page. Grouping related information makes navigation intuitive and reduces confusion. Another tip: add only the blocks you truly need to avoid cluttering your pages. It's tempting to include every fancy block you see, but simplicity often leads to better readability and faster load times. Once you have your first new page looking good, repeat the same process whenever you need to create additional pages. As your application grows, you'll want to organize these pages into a clear navigation structure. Softr lets you add a navigation bar or a menu block to any page, and you can configure which pages appear in that menu. Think of it like a table of contents for your app. Place your most important pages at the top of the menu, and consider using submenus or grouped links for larger apps. A common mistake is forgetting to add navigation links to new pages, which leaves them hidden and inaccessible to users. Always double-check that every new page is linked somewhere logical. Before you publish your application or share it with users, preview each page to ensure everything works correctly. Softr has a built-in preview mode that simulates how your app will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. It's crucial to test across these different sizes because a block that looks perfect on your laptop might overlap or break on a phone. Pay close attention to text readability, button sizes, and image scaling. Previewing also lets you click through your navigation links to confirm they lead to the correct pages. Taking these few minutes to test can save you from embarrassing broken pages later. Here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Use descriptive page names to make your application easier to navigate, both for you during editing and for your users when they see the menu. Keep related content together on the same page to support a logical flow and reduce back and forth clicking. Add only the blocks you need to avoid cluttering your pages. Quality over quantity always wins. And most importantly, always preview every new page before publishing it to ensure everything displays correctly and looks professional. You've now successfully learned how to create multiple pages in Softr, which gives you the ability to structure your application into clear, organized sections. With this skill, you can build anything from a simple business website to a complex member portal or a full-blown marketplace. I'd recommend taking it a step further by exploring Softr's conditional visibility settings, which allow you to show or hide entire pages based on user roles. That's how you build private dashboards and gated content. If this tutorial helped you, save it for later or revisit it whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy building.